Welcome to my new video. First of all, I want to say I'm sorry I was unable to post videos because of my health. I was not feeling fine. So I'm very sorry I was unable to post video. So now I'm getting better. I'm fine now. I'm getting better. So I have a lot of videos to post. Guys, I have a lot of videos to post. From tomorrow, 10th 09/2024. Training continues in my group and other places. So I'm giving away 50% discount to anybody who wants to join my training. I'm going to teach you based on what you want. So join my training today and enjoy a whole lot of benefit. So for my YouTube channel, I have members only videos. So if you want to be a member of my channel, this is what you have to know. Please, a lot of people complain that they try using their cards and it's not working. The cards that you can use to pay for it is MasterCard. If you use Verse, I don't think it's gonna work. So I recommend you use a MasterCard. It's going to work 100%. Choose which one you want, whether you want the one of 600, have the one of 2000, and I have the one of 8000. Choose any one you want to go for it and start enjoying. I have a lot of videos, and guys, I promise you I'm going to drop videos non-stop. Which means continuously. I'm ready to take you to the next level. I'm very sure of what I'm saying. I'm going to take you straight to the next level. The first video I will drop is multimeter. A lot of people ask me, Father Joe, please drop a multimeter video. So multimeter video is the first video I will drop tomorrow. So get ready for multimeter video. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Tell me, Father Joe, please, I have a question about this, drop it for me. I guaranteed you I'm going to answer at least 25 comments. So let me know what you think in the comment section. So see you in my next video coming very soon. I love you all. See you tomorrow.